Hi, I'm JP, and today we're going to talk about the MOTO motorcycle bead brake tool. Before we show you how to utilize it, we're going to put this together for you. First, you want to lay out everything in sequential order like you see here in the video. You're going to need a number 13 and a number 14 socket to be able to get the job done. First, we're going to take the bottom mount bracket, slide it in, take your bolt, slide it through, take your washer and your nut, put that on there and tighten this down. And you'll do the same to the other one. We're going to take the rim protector bracket. We will slide this over. You'll take the supplied wing nut bolt. You'll put it through. You'll take your washer and your wing nut, and you'll put it on the opposite end of the bolt. The reason why you have that is so you can be able to slide the rim protector back and forth based on the width or the size of the rim that you have. Next, you'll take your actual bead breaker and these two arms. You'll slide the bolt and nut through it, and you'll tighten these down. Next, we'll apply the bead breaker tool to one of the three holes based on the width of the tire. Make sure you put your washer and your nut in place. And now we'll tighten these down. Next, we're going to take the actual arm and put it onto the bead breaker tool. Make sure you put your washer and nut on and tighten it down. Like so. Last, you're going to take the arm and apply it to the actual bracket itself. Put your bolt through. Apply your washer and your nut and tighten down. And that is all it is to it, to building the motorcycle bead brake tool. Now that we assembled it, now we're going to show you how to utilize this. We're going to use the CBR 300 rim and remove the tire using the bead brake tool. First, you want to lift the arm up. You want to set the rim on the rim protector. Get the bead brake tool portion, the spade, inside the rim. From there, you want to hold the rim in place. Use the lever. Push down until you hear the noise. That's actually the bead breaking off the rim. From there, you'll do it in all four corners of the bike tire. So now we have done this to all four corners on both sides of the motorcycle tire. You can see that the bead has been removed or separated from the rim. Now the tire can come off the rim, and that's all there is to it.